Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. This is just a short vlog. I'm gonna make some avocado spread. I've not made this before. I know you're not supposed to do this, right? You're supposed to practice first, then do it. Well, I only have one avocado, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Plus, I bought that cool little tool that you use to cut the avocado open and all that stuff. I'm going to do a little review on that. We'll see what I think about it. Okay, one avocado. This little thing here. Sharp. Awesome. That part is okay. Not 100%, but it's okay. Now this, if I can figure out how to get it out of there, there it is. This pulls out the pit. So, oh, look at that. I'm liking it. Oh, I'm liking it. That alone, this little thing alone makes it worth, I think I paid $4 for that at Burke's. If you don't have a Burke's, you might have a Bell's. That's what they're known as in other states. There we go. That worked better that time. Just a matter of learning how to use this thing, huh? There's the bowl. There's that. Ooh, let's get that peel off of there. We don't want that on there. Mm-mm. Nice. Take that little piece of avocado there. Very nice. Okay. Next thing, one lime. The juice of one anyway. Okay, I don't have any toast, so for me to try this, I'm gonna take some red pepper. But, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna taste it by itself. And my battery went dead, so I hope I didn't lose my footage when I made it. Here we go. Oh, that is so good. That will taste great on some toast tomorrow morning. Tastes great on the red pepper too. One avocado, the juice of one lime, a tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of cilantro. That's all you need to make this delicious dip. And these little tools that I used, this, I love it. Definitely going to continue using it. Like I said, this little jewel right here that pulls that, I guess it's a seed, out of there, awesome. I've had my little egg masher for years. I use it for all kinds of stuff, so small stuff anyway. All right, y'all take care. See y'all in the next one.